Hello everyone. In today's session, I'm going to show you how to select the research journal for your particular research work. So you are in a dilemma where to exactly send your work to the particular journals. So many publishers have their own type of style in terms of formatting the paper, right? And they have some guidelines. So for that, you have to go through this particular simple exercise. Just open the Google, just type journal suggested. Okay, when you click it, there are different types of publishing house called Springer, Elsevier. Then you have others, Wiley Publications, right? So select a few of them and see how it works. Okay, let us go to Springer Journal, how they suggest based on our work. Okay, let us take a sample article. So manuscript title you have to enter. You can enter the text of the article as an abstract or anything. So just it gives you the idea what you're talking about. It may be subject area related to any of it based on your understanding, whether it is management or social sciences, right? Psychology, right? Statistics. So it may be statistics for my journals. So when you click suggest journals, it automatically gives you few journals advanced in statistical analysis. You can see the impact factor here. The acceptance rate is very small, 14% only, then 7%. So Springer gives you, based on the type of abstract, the content that you had given, automatically gives you the suggestions. So it may be comes under statistics, sometimes it may be social sciences, as we talk about business and research in this. So let me pick another one. Let's say business and management, if I want to take this particular journals into that. Okay, so then I have suggestions where I have. So the most important thing here is that the impact factor, as you can see. So first decision on an average 32 days it gives. Okay, so explore any of the journals that makes sense out of your work. Okay, let's say this is the impact factor. On an average they take 29 days. Just click this and it will take you to the particular journals. Okay, and just read to that and just make sure that it is indexed in Scopus. Okay, so this is how one of the publisher called Springer uses online platform to decide on which type of journals best suits for your work. Okay, and similarly you can try Elsevier, that is mainly the Scopus. So this is how it goes. The same way we have done with the Springer. Exchange rate. This is the title of the work. Abstract. They specifically asked abstract, so you can simply give the abstract here. Sometimes keywords also they ask. So keywords you can type. It's already there in my paper, so I'm using these keywords. Right? Sometimes there are no keywords found, so maybe it may happen. Okay. So there are 50 journals matching our paper. So economic modeling, right? Economic analysis and policy. So it takes 3 weeks time to take the decision, right? So like that, you may choose your journal by going to elsevier.com and go to the particular website and find more about it. Okay, this is how you have to confirm that whether it is a Scopus or not. It's already in Elsevier, so it is obviously the Scopus journal. Okay. Anyhow, you have to cross check every now and then because the list may drop. Few journals may drop from the list from year to year. So here abstracting is not showing. Suppose anyhow. Okay. So this is how normally we go and check the whether it is a Scopus indexed or not. Okay. Let us pick one more journal. Journal of Asian Economics. It takes almost 7 weeks to take the decision. Journal website. Go and cross check the same. This is Scopus indexed. That is how you can verify and cross check whether it is indexed in Scopus currently or not. Okay. Now we take one more and we'll wind up with Ville publications. They are also suggesting the type of journals. Go to the site and try journal finder. Okay. Then just as usual, I have mentioned how to do that. Title, manuscript abstract, right? Matching strength also it is showing, right? Then just click find. Sometimes they don't have any journal, so find by journal title also if you want to. But maybe this kind of work they don't have it otherwise. Okay, so it may happen. So like that, you can find all your work where you can see the potential journals and submit to them. Mind you, cross-check the Scopus or Web of Science especially because a few journals may drop from the list from year to year based on the impact factor. Okay, so all the best. Thank you.